Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is May 2nd, 2025, and we're diving into MicroStrategy's first quarter 2025 financial results. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. MicroStrategy, known for its significant Bitcoin holdings, has just released its Q1 2025 earnings report. There's a lot to unpack, especially with their strategic moves in the Bitcoin market and their financial performance this quarter.
Bitcoin strategy and financial performance. Let's start with MicroStrategy's Bitcoin strategy. The company achieved a year-to-date BTC yield of 13.7% and a BTC gain of 61,497. John, how does this reflect on their financial performance?
MicroStrategy's aggressive Bitcoin acquisition strategy is paying off. They've achieved a BTC gain of $5.8 billion year-to-date, which is 58% of their annual target. This demonstrates the effectiveness of their strategy in leveraging Bitcoin as a treasury asset, despite the volatility in Bitcoin prices.
And what about their Bitcoin holdings?
As of April 28, 2025, they hold 553,555 Bitcoins at a total cost of $37.9 billion. This positions them as the largest corporate holder of Bitcoin, which is a significant part of their identity and strategy.
Revenue and profitability overview. Moving on to their financials, MicroStrategy reported total revenues of $111.1 million, a slight decrease from last year. However, their net loss was a staggering $4.217 billion. Can you explain this, John?
The significant net loss is primarily due to the unrealized losses on their digital assets, which amounted to $5.9 billion. This reflects the volatility in Bitcoin prices and the adoption of fair value accounting for their Bitcoin holdings. Despite this, their gross profit was $77.1 million, indicating strong operational performance in their software business.
What about their operating expenses?
Operating expenses skyrocketed to $6.0 billion, largely due to the unrealized losses on digital assets. This is a substantial increase compared to the previous year, highlighting the impact of their Bitcoin strategy on their financials.
Capital markets and strategic initiatives. MicroStrategy has been active in the capital markets. They announced a $21 billion ATM common stock equity offering and issued $2 billion in convertible notes. How does this fit into their strategy?
These capital market activities are part of their strategy to fund Bitcoin acquisitions and strengthen their balance sheet. The $21 billion ATM offering and the issuance of convertible notes have broadened their capital base, allowing them to add 301,335 BTC to their holdings. Additionally, their share price increased by 50% during this period, reflecting investor confidence in their strategy.
And what about their preferred stock IPOs?
They successfully executed two of the most significant preferred stock IPOs in a decade, raising $563.2 million and $710.9 million. This further diversifies their capital structure and supports their long-term strategic goals.
Future outlook and leadership statements. Looking ahead, MicroStrategy has increased its 2025 BTC Yield target to 25% and its BTC Gain target to $15 billion. What does this indicate about their future outlook?
This indicates strong confidence in their Bitcoin strategy and the market's momentum. The leadership is optimistic about achieving these targets, which would further solidify their position as a leader in the Bitcoin treasury space.
What did the company leadership have to say about these results?
CEO Phong emphasized their pioneering role in the Bitcoin treasury space, while CFO Kang highlighted the impact of adopting fair value accounting, which resulted in a significant uplift in retained earnings. Despite the unrealized losses, they remain positive about the future potential gains.
Key takeaways. In summary, MicroStrategy's Q1 2025 results reflect their aggressive Bitcoin strategy and its impact on their financials. Despite a significant net loss, their strategic initiatives and capital market activities have positioned them well for future growth. John, any final thoughts?
MicroStrategy's commitment to Bitcoin as a treasury asset is clear, and their strategic moves in the capital markets are designed to support this vision. While the volatility in Bitcoin prices poses risks, their leadership's confidence and strategic targets suggest a positive outlook.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more financial analyses. We'd love to hear your thoughts on MicroStrategy's performance in the comments below.